Hello, and welcome back to Pre-Algebra. We are in Chapter 2, Section 2. We are looking at solving inequalities using addition and subtraction. All right, solving an inequality using addition works exactly the same way that you would to solve an equation. So if we have x minus 5 is less than negative 3, in order to solve this, we want to get the x by itself, add 5 to each side. Make sure you're writing plus 5 underneath there so we remember we can see what we're doing. X is less than 2. Negative 3 plus 5 is the same as 5 minus 3. All right. Now, if we want to solve using subtraction, again, this works the same way as it would for an equation. We want to solve for x, so we get rid of everything that's not x. Subtract 14 from each side. This cancels out. 13 minus 14 would be negative 1. Now in the end, we always want to flip this around to say x. Now if I'm putting the x on the other side, remember to change that sign around too because it's pointing away from the x. All right, there we go. And then finally, one example using shapes here. Write and solve an inequality that represents x. The base is greater than the height. All right, this is the base. So x plus 3 is greater than 8. All right, to solve that, subtract 3 from each side. 3's cancel out. X is greater than 5. Now let's go back to the previous examples. After solving these, we need to graph them. Okay, graph the solution. So we make a number line, put our target number in the middle. So there's 2, a number to the right, 3 here, 1 there, and this is less than. So if I have x on the left side, I can follow the arrow. All these values are less, and it's an open circle because 2 is not included. In this one, we have x is greater than or equal to. All right, so make a number line. Negative 1 in the middle, a number to the left, which is negative 2, a number to the right, that's 0. And then greater than or equal, all these values. And this one is a closed circle because negative 1 is a possible solution because negative 1 is equal to negative 1. All right. There you go. That's all the fun we can have today. Check in again next time for another fun lesson in pre-algebra.